Welcome to US Enterprises Pune. A sewer suction machine, also known as a sewer vacuum truck or sewer jet vac truck, is a specialized vehicle designed for cleaning and maintaining sewer systems. It is commonly used by municipal authorities, sanitation departments, and sewer maintenance companies. The primary purpose of a sewer suction machine is to remove debris, sediment, and other obstructions from sewer lines, storm drains, and septic systems. It helps prevent blockages and maintain the proper functioning of the sewer infrastructure. The machine combines high-pressure water jetting and powerful suction capabilities to effectively clean and clear the sewer lines. Here are some key features and components typically found in a sewer suction machine. Vacuum system. The machine is equipped with a powerful vacuum system that creates suction to extract debris, sludge, and liquid waste from the sewer lines. The vacuum system is usually driven by a separate diesel or gasoline engine. Debris tank. The collected waste material is stored in a large debris tank mounted on the truck. The tank can vary in size depending on the capacity of the machine and the requirements of the job. It is designed to be watertight and may have filters or screens to separate solids from liquids. Water jetting system. Sewer suction machines often have a high-pressure water jetting system that can be used to dislodge and break up stubborn blockages or deposits within the sewer lines. The water is typically supplied from a water tank on the truck and propelled through a nozzle at high pressure. Hose and nozzles. The machine is equipped with flexible hoses and various types of nozzles that are inserted into the sewer lines. These hoses are used for both suction and jetting operations. The nozzles may have different configurations to suit different cleaning tasks. Controls and monitoring systems. Sewer suction machines have control panels and monitoring systems to operate and monitor the various functions of the machine, such as adjusting the vacuum power, water pressure, and monitoring tank levels. Sewer suction machines are essential for the maintenance and upkeep of sewer systems as they help prevent clogs, improve flow, and ensure the efficient operation of wastewater infrastructure. They are operated by trained personnel who follow safety protocols and guidelines to carry out their work effectively while minimizing environmental impact.